Example 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? Difference between 100 term is 100, means A 100 minus B 100 is equal to 100. A 100 means A plus 99D minus B 100 means B plus 99D is equal to 100. A plus 99D, removing bracket, minus B minus 99D is equal to 100. Plus 99D minus 99D cut. A minus B is equal to 100. Difference between 1000 term means A 1000 minus B 1000. A 1000 is A plus 99D minus B 1000 means B plus 99D. A plus 999D minus B minus 999D plus 999D minus 999D cut A minus B, and A minus B is 100. Therefore, difference between 1000 term is also 100.